Hello artist, in this video I am going to show you how to make your own sgraffito. The sgraffito technique has been used in pottery for thousands of years by many different cultures. However, it became popularized in plaster during the Renaissance. I am going to show you how to make your own version using materials that you have in your own home. I'm using a cardboard box, some paint, and a paintbrush. I'll also need a paper clip or something to scratch with. I decided to use the back of this sketchbook that I made with the box. I will show you how to make the sketchbook in another video. I start by squeezing some paint directly onto my sketchbook and then spreading it out with a paintbrush. I am lifting up the thread from the spine of my sketchbook, but I could have painted right over it. As I spread the paint, I'm just going up and down. I'm going one direction, up and down, so that I can spread it evenly. If I go multiple directions, it won't spread evenly. I also notice that the paint is transparent. That means it's see-through. As I keep spreading and adding more paint, it's not becoming more opaque. That means I need to let it dry. Once the paint is dry, I can paint a second or even third layer if needed. I only needed a second. When I'm done, I noticed that I got some paint smudges on the inside of my sketchbook. If you do sgraffito on a sketchbook, maybe pay attention a little more than I did about the inside of the pages. Maybe protect them with something so you don't get paint on them. It's okay though, I'm going to use this anyways. I am using a paper clip to keep my sketchbook laying flat. If you are using a different surface, you won't need to do that. Next, I unfold a paper clip so that I can scratch into the paint. Any sharp or somewhat pointy object will work for scratching a design. You could also use a needle, or maybe even try your fingernail, or the backside of a pen, a fork. For this project, I chose a cereal box for my sgraffito surface. I bet you could use other materials. I would be super excited if you could try a few and let me know. You can also try covering the surface with many different mediums. I've tried oil pastel, crayon, and marker. Which one works best for you? This video was made by Tara Gary, music by SYBS.